guys, good morning. So today I'm doing something really fun. I am going snowboarding. I haven't gone snowboarding in, oh my god, I'm running out of breath, in a couple of years. Wait, how do you get up there? Anyways, so Mountain High is about 2-hour drive from Los Angeles, and it is snowing. It is snowing like crazy. I thought that you have to go to Finland to get this kind of weather. And my friend Sivan, somewhere in the back. Sivan, say hi. She's freezing. She's not prepared. I'm prepared. Anyway, so I'm totally shocked because I did not know it gets this cold in LA or in California. I did know that up north, but not in this area. It is 23 degrees Fahrenheit right now. And the snow is real. The struggle is real. Okay, so from the parking lot, it was a couple of feet, we thought we were gonna pass out and die. We clearly need some exercise in our life. Okay, so we just got our snowboarding boards and our shoes, and we had to buy pants. So I lost my waterproof pants. I don't know where they are. And now it's ski time or snowboarding time. Oh my goodness, California. It's snowing like crazy and my boots are soaking with snow. I'm loving it. Okay, seriously never expected this insane snowstorm in California. This is literally 2 hours away from my house, and like this stuff is intense. Anyways, I heard it's really hard to see anything from up there. I'm gonna try it. So it looks like it's me solo again. My friend can't snowboard for the life of her. I try to help. But I guess it's just me, myself, and I once again in this big crazy world. I'm finally going up the slopes after hours of being here. And it's snowing and freezing. I really feel like I'm in a different country right now. So the truth is I haven't snowboarded in about 4 or 5 years. So this should be ideally interesting. Is it like riding a bike? I don't know. We will see. We will see.
So here's a rundown on what actually happened behind the scenes. On the random day that I decided to go to Mountain High, it actually snowed more than it did in 18 years. Trying to snowboard was so hard because I literally could not see anything. There was crazy snow flying straight into my eye, and my hat kept falling over my face, and it was just a complete disaster. To top it all off, after trying to teach my good friend how to snowboard, she told me to go on the actual big lift by myself while she kept trying. Well, while that happened, somebody randomly ran over her hand with a snowboard, and they ended up finding her and the paramedics getting her hand taped. I was literally astounded. I was actually really worried that she probably broke her arm, so I decided to leave early and take her to the emergency room. And hopefully we'll be back again pretty soon and it doesn't snow so bad. And to anyone trying to snowboard in a blizzard and film it, you guys have skills because the struggle is real. I do not have any idea how anybody can possibly multitask like that, but I give you props. Thanks for watching another one of my silly travel videos. I hope you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon.